Hello guys, welcome back to our channel guys. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe, because in this channel we talk about how you can make money online guys. So different ways you can make money online, things you can do to make an earning for yourself online. So making money online is not a rocket science guys, so everybody can do it. Here in this video, so I'm going to be showing you how to start drug trading in 2025 for complete beginners. Okay, 5 easy ways guys. So that is what we'll be talking about in this video, so you don't want to miss out on this video. So make sure you like and subscribe once again. So now let's get started guys. So the first thing I want to talk about is, if you are brand new to stock trading and wondering how to get started in 2025, you are not alone. The stock market may seem intimidating at first, but it's more accessible than ever thanks to modern tools, platforms and resources designed specifically for beginners guys. So whether your goal is to grow your wealth, build passive income, or just understand how the market works, this guide will walk you through 5 easy ways to begin your stock trading journey from scratch. So now let's get started. So the first one I want to talk about, start with a beginning friendly trading platform guys. So this is one of the important things. So the first step is choosing a trading app or platform that's designed with beginners in mind. Okay, apps like Robinhood, eToro or Webull and Fidelity makes it incredibly easy to sign up, fund your account and start buying stocks. So with just a few taps, many of these platforms offer zero commission trade, intuitive interfaces and access to learning resources. So some even comes with virtual trading features, paper trading that let you practice with fake money before mixing your real fund. So as a beginner, simplicity matters. So go with a platform that offers ease of use, customer support and a straightforward experience guys. So the most popular one is Robinhood guys. So Robinhood is very popular for beginners. So if you want to get started, you can check out all the apps mentioned here in this video, so to find the one you will fall in love with. So now let's go to the next one. So the next one I have here is begin with ETFs instead of individual stocks guys. So jumping into picking individual stocks can be risky and overwhelming. So if you don't yet understand market dynamics, that's why starting with ETFs, exchange traded funds, is a smart move for most beginners. So ETFs are investment funds that hold a collection of different stocks, giving you instant diversification and lower risks. So for example, buying a tech ETFs might give you exposure to Apple, Microsoft, Google, and other major companies in one investment. This way, your money isn't tied to the performance of a single company, and you get a broader view of the market while building confidence guys. So instead of you starting with individual stocks, you can first start with ETFs, because ETFs are more easier to trade than individual stocks, because individual stocks can be overwhelming. So start small then grow later. So now let's go to the next one. So number 3 we have here is learn the basic of fundamental and technical analysis. So mastering go-to-market execution is crucial component in the long-term success. Okay, so in the rapidly changing world of modern business, so where innovations is pitted against tradition and competition is growing every day, that's 100% correct. So turning market challenges into tailwinds that drives revenue growth and solidify organization heritage is not only a challenge for CEOs and chief revenue officers, so it is also a challenge to thrive. Your guide to these life-changing adventures is the key to mastering a narrative-driven playbook that condenses the art of science of revenue leadership. So what this place is trying to say is that you need to learn the basic of fundamentals and technical. You don't need to jump, understand? You need to learn. before you can earn. So explanation to this part. So guys, let's go to number 4 now. Number 4, try copy trading or follow experienced traders. So if you're still unsure about making trading decision on your own, consider copy trading, an approach that lets you mirror the trades of experienced investor. Platforms like eToro and Zulu Trade allow you to browse through professional traders' profile, view their performance history, and choose to automatically copy their trade in real time. So this is a great way to learn by observing how seasoned traders think and react to market movements. However, it's important to research who you are following, understand the risks, and remember the past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So what this part is saying exactly is that so you can copy a professional trade, then implement everything they do into your own account, guys, so both of you can make money. So before you do that, you need to check the track record of the trader you want to follow. So after you check the track record, then you start making money for yourself. So now let's go to the last one I have here, which is start small, stay consistent, and track your progress. So finally, one of the most important principles for beginners is to start small. You don't need to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars right away. Begin with an amount you are comfortable losing, whether it is $10, $50, or $100, and make small, consistent investment. So this helps you build a habit of trading, manage your emotions, and learn without major financial risks. So keep a journal or digital record of your trade, including what you bought, why you bought it, and what you learned. So over time, this log will become a valuable resource that help you improve your strategy and avoid repeating mistakes, guys. So as easy as it sounds, you need to start small. Be comfortable with the amount you are willing to risk, guys. So risk how much you can afford to lose so that trading won't drain you out. So that's just how it is, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, guys. And that's all for today. I will see you next time.